this meditation is for you. I want you to know how proud I am of you and how far you came. I created this space for you so that you could be able to breathe and feel safe and remind yourself of the strength that you already carry. All right. I know this is your first meditation. All you got to do is just listen to the things that I say. So, what I want you to do now is just to close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and let it go. Do that again, slower this time. With every exhale, imagine the weight of stress and tension leaving your body. Feel your shoulders drop, your chest soften, your face relax. You are safe this moment. Now imagine a gentle light above you, soft, warm, peaceful. Every breath, that light moves through you, down your head, your chest, your arms, your legs. That light carries calm balance and strength. It fills you up, reminding you that you don't need anything outside of yourself to feel whole. So now I'm going to give you some affirmations. When I say the affirmations, you don't have to say them. Just think them in your head. I am free. I am whole. I am stronger than my past. I deserve peace. I deserve joy. I am free. I am whole. I am stronger than my past. I deserve peace. I deserve joy. And one more time, I want you to really feel it, this one. I am free. I am whole. I am stronger than my past. I deserve peace. I deserve joy. Say it one more time. I am free. I am whole. I am stronger than my past. I deserve peace. I deserve joy. Now picture yourself 6 months from now, walking into the same room, smiling, confident, clear, and calm. Notice how people look at you with pride and love. Most of all, notice how good it feels to trust you. That future is yours, and every breath brings you closer. Every breath brings you closer. As you come back to this moment, take one more deep breath. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Remember, peace is one breath away. Carry this calm into your day, to your week, to your life. I love you.